Hello students, we have to sketch the graph of y equals to cos x. So that means if I'm plotting the graph like this, so that's the value of +1 and that's the value which is on -1 here. The values across x-axis is 0. So this is 90. So this is 180 degrees. So this is 270 degrees. And finally, it climbs on to one full cycle of 360 degrees. So this is my x-axis and y-axis plot. So cos of 0 is 1. So the graph starts from here. It dips down to 0 at 90 degree. It dips down to the negative of its amplitude of -1 at 180 degrees, again becoming 0 at 270 and climbing on to the max value at 360 degrees. So this value is called the amplitude of this cos wave, which is 1. And here also, as you can see, that this is also 1. And the complete time period for a cos wave is 360 degrees. So that's the graph of the complete cos wave. Thank you, students.